recording here on the shop on a boring day. Hi. You want to say something to the camera?
Hola.
What?
That's eat.
I'm gonna do like 2 seconds.
I'm recording.
Hey.
I'm recording. Stop. This is for my YouTube channel. You want to say something? No. Okay. He's like, alright, good. That's fat ass Mr. Cross right there.
Brick squad.
Crips, my nigga. You wanna say something to the camera?
This me trying to get my weld on. You already know shit.
Rap.
Shit.
Make a rap.
Let me spit it real quick up in the welding class. I'm about to weld my assignment and get some ass. I'm about to get. Let's tack these two together, alright? Hold that down so it's flat.
That was a fail. Okay, I got more. That's a shitty ass weld.
That's a good weld.
Here with Ryan, also known as Welding. What are you doing here? You need to get over there and start working right now. You hear me?
Yep.
Am I clear? Now go out there and start welding.
You are really annoying.
Go. Are you gonna beat my ass? Go out there, start welding right now! Are you gonna kick my ass? Is that a no?
No.
Exactly, because you can't.
Right.
You know I'll beat the shit out of you, right? Right? With welding. Oh, you cut my finger. Are you picking your nose?
Yep.
I was recording you.
Good.
I'm gonna upload it to my YouTube channel.
Good.
So what's your technique on picking your nose? Sex overall?
Don't do it. I have AIDS on it.
Okay. What do you think is better, oral sex or sex?
Should be like 360.
Sex? Okay.
Sex.
Sex?
Are you really recording?
Yeah, dude, see, I'm recording. Let's go.
Alright, I'm coming with you.
What do you think is better, oral sex or sex?
Oral sex or sex, sir?
He's never
Sex.
fucked, so. What about you?
Sex, bro.
What about you? You never fuck either. What do you think is better, sex or oral sex? What's better, sex or oral sex? What's better, sex or oral sex?
Walking?
So you say sex? What's better, sex or oral sex?
Oral sex.
I like
the fucking.
I like head, so y'all know what I'm talking about. I like long.
What's better, sex or oral sex?
Neither.
Neither? Okay.
Sex is like a roller coaster, and I really like roller coasters.
You don't like roller coasters?
No, I really like roller coasters.
Like what?
Roller coasters. Sex
I like
is
roller
better than a roller coaster.